oh no, what do I see? My rainbow looks as pale as can be. The colors are gone. They faded away. We must fix it before St. Patrick's Day. Will you help me bring them back? We'll put them in the proper stack. It's bold and bright and comes up top, the very first we cannot swap. The color of apples and fire instead. Shout it out. It's red. Next comes a color like pumpkins round, a sunset glowing without a sound. Between red and yellow it likes to stay. Orange is next, hooray! It shines like the sun, so big and bright, filling the sky with golden light. That happy color we all know, yellow makes the rainbow glow. Like shamrocks, grass, and leprechaun hats. Green little frogs and garden plants. Right after yellow, bright and clean, we add the lucky color green. The ocean waves and the open sky, that cool calm color drifting by. After green, what do? You add the stripe of blue. This one's tricky, darker than blue, a deep, rich shade with a purple hue. Between blue and violet it will go. Indigo helps the rainbow glow. The final color at the end, a royal shade fit for a friend. Soft and pretty, calm and quiet. The last bright stripe is violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, what a scene! You helped fix the rainbow bright, now it shines with lucky light. See you next time, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our fun videos.